See how to write JavaScript code using Android mobile using Androider app. So you can embed JavaScript into this. I'll show you first output into HTML. JavaScript is case sensitive, it is event driven programming. So you can, this is a sample program. So we'll see new file and how to load it. So we'll see first that how to load Android app so that you can practice on mobile. So this is Androider app. So I'll show you how to load. So right here Androider app, and then as it is already loaded, so I'll open. So JavaScript is used for dynamic web program. Click on this plus sign to create dynamic web pages, and it is used for client side scripting as well as server side, but mostly it is used for client side. And you can embed JavaScript in HTML. So give title here. You can embed in HTML in three. You can embed JavaScript in three ways: in head section, in body section of HTML, or by creating external file. So we will see today how to write code in body section of HTML. So to write any tag of JavaScript, so to write any code of JavaScript, you have to first use script tag, and automatically this after this attribute will come. But if you are using Notepad, then you write after script tag, you write language is equal to JavaScript. Now all the JavaScript should be written between this script tag. So this is a sample program. Now we want to print hello or welcome. So alert is a predefined function. So write something, suppose welcome. Close the. Each line in JavaScript should be terminated by semicolon. It is optional, but it is good practice, and JavaScript is case sensitive, it is event driven programming, and it is used for creating dynamic web pages. And close. Now we have to save the file. Click on save as. Always JavaScript file is saved by, you have to give any name, but extension should be compulsory .html. Now we'll run. Click on this arrow. So this is alert box. So JavaScript can be written in body section or in head section of HTML, or by creating external file, but for that JS file. So you can print the result by alert box with OK button, or with confirm function. So I'll write here sample program, sample PRG program, close the bracket, round bracket, semicolon, save it, run it. So this is okay. We got this by alert. This box, that is confirm box, we got this is confirm dialog box with OK and cancel button. So that is the difference. And by one more way, you can print the result by using document.write. Document.write, what it does, document is an object and it has its function write to print anything on the web page, that is it will print on the browser screen. So if I write this is sample program, this is JavaScript, you can write any, you have to enclose in double quotes script. You can write anything, terminate each line by semicolon, save it. So this is preview. Click on this arrow, this is preview. Now this first message is executed, alert by alert we got OK button, this confirm by confirm we got this, and then this is JavaScript, this answer we got by document.write. So JavaScript is case sensitive. So uppercase and lowercase are different, but HTML is not case sensitive. JavaScript is case sensitive. So if you want next program, you can write HTML in head section also. For that we have to, I'll make another video so you can watch that. Or also another method is by creating external file. So hope you understood. Thank you. Subscribe to my channel to get more updates. Thank you.